Yo, what's good? It's the kid from the middle of the map. I want to let y'all know something. I'm out here doing the chores, getting the plants cleaned up for the sale. And while I'm doing that, I'm checking them. Now, this is one of the Hilton cabbage, right? And as I'm cleaning the outside leaves, I'm looking in the middle and I find this. Can y'all see all that? That's droppings, y'all, in the middle of the cabbage before it heads up. So, that's pretty big as a matter of fact. So I'm looking around like, damn, am I gonna have to throw this away? Because honestly, I don't know if I leave that there and it heads up, if that'll put a disease in there. Just being honest. So I'm looking around and I'm like, damn, what is this? Something's in here. Y'all see that? This big old ugly mama don't want it ass thing, slug or something. Hold on. Right? This is what's boo-booing all in here. So, give me a second. So I went ahead and turned it over. Look at how big that joint is. So I got a couple of options here. I can take it out and kill it, right? Or I can let this be sacrificial and just let this one go. Let him eat, let him do what he do, and call it good, and hopefully take this away from the rest of them so that he doesn't decide to get into anything else. So I know that a lot of people are going to try to savage a plant and do everything. Sometimes it's better just to let one go for the better of the masses, all right? So I just want to share this with y'all real quick, man. Caught me off guard a little bit, but I saw all these droppings. I'm like, damn, those are big. Here it is. So not going to kill him. I am going to take this cabbage, set it way away from the rest of the crops, and let him have his day. All right, y'all, much love from the middle of the map. And like I always say, I ain't got no love for these suckers eating my cabbage. Peace.